We're trying something new. This is an Indian restaurant. Let's see what's inside and what we can eat. It smells so good. Look at the place. With our friends. Let's check out the menu. Merry Christmas! But what are we celebrating today? What are the big news today? What's happening today? Who?
I don't know.
Any other big news? Nothing. Okay.
Someone is going to marry next year.
God willing. Okay, congratulations. Best wishes. Happy holidays. What are we having? We're having naan, chicken masala, and lamb masala. Not spicy, more naan, lamb, and spicy masala. Ay, spicy beef masala. Let's eat.